Makeup kit secrets, no gatekeeping, part 1. Before we begin, let me start by saying I am a licensed cosmetologist and I did makeup in a professional setting and on site, but have since stopped to focus on my hair clientele only after having my son. There are other reasons why I stopped, but that's the main reason. I decided to compile these lists because when I was starting out, I spent so much money trying to get a kit together. It spiraled into an obsession, which led to an addiction, which luckily I was able to turn into a job. But I wish I had more guidance. And I actually did look up videos like what's in my makeup kit and secrets to the makeup kit, and none of those videos were helpful. I just want to be forthcoming and tell you my experience and list off, this is just going to be a quick bullet point listing of what I have in my kit that was beneficial to me, so that you're not wasting your time and wasting your energy and wasting your money on things that you don't need, or so that you have things that you need when you need them. I will make a video about my makeup addiction later, but for now, let's get into it. By the way, these are must-haves that aren't even makeup in part 1. Number 1, you need a kit, a stand, lighting. You might be surprised how many places you'll go that will not have sufficient lighting. And if you don't have your own lighting, guess whose fault that is? Yours. It's not theirs, it's your fault. You need to make sure that you have lighting. Lip pan, totally necessary. And the little spatulas to mix with, super helpful. Towels, pencil sharpener, it's good for lip liners and eyeliners. Alcohol spray, there is a reason that we have to go to school to be licensed. Tweezers, need them. Makeup remover wipes, glue, safety pins, scissors. When you're on site, things happen, and being prepared will set you apart from anybody else. It's almost like the wedding planner bag. She's got all the little things, which brings me to my next item, which is cough drops or gum. If you know, you know. Or mint, whatever works. Just something in that genre. Glitter glue, the makeup kind, not Elmer's. Sponges, all the sponges. All the brushes, all of them, multiples of them. Brush toolkit, water bottle, like a spray bottle. Moisturizer, and chapstick or lip scrub. Hairspray. I did also want to mention that I did weddings, proms, special occasion. If you do special effects or you do festival, stage, or set makeup, what you need might vary a little bit. This is just what I found worked for me. That's it for part 1. If you guys are interested in part 2, stick around. I'm going to be putting that up here shortly. I hope this was helpful. Thanks.